At heto naman ang bisita natin may awiting masarap i-add sa playlist. Singer-songwriter Eliza Matura! And the band, bumati po muna kayo sa Madlang People.
1, 2, 3, go! What's up, Madlang People?
Grabe, parang feeling ko, ang laki ng blessing ko ngayon.
Diba? Bakit?
Katabi ko si bro.
Ay!
Hindi si Chicken yan.
Gets!
Kausapin mo! Kausapin mo!
Sabi mo po.
Member ka ng banda
Sabi mo
ni
si bro.
Eliza.
Yes, hi bro.
How are you, bro?
I'm good, thank you. You're here.
Thank you. But I don't want to steal any of the spotlight from the wonderful star here.
But to run all the way from Surigao ba ngayon,
Yes po,
province?
Surigao pa.
I love Surigao.
Surigao, from Manila base na po ngayon.
Grabe naman,
Pero
salamat.
syempre, making waves all over the country, all over the world. Sarap-sarap pakinggan, di ba, Madlang People? Live na live yung obra mong museo. Obra talaga siya, a work of art. Ano naman ang inspirasyon mo sa pagsulat nito?
Bali po nung nasulat ko siya last year, ano lang talaga siya, yung pinaka naging thought process was falling in love with an artwork. So something you cannot touch, you cannot have. Or parang admiring someone from afar.
From
Wow.